As I told you बच्चों that today we will learn the grammar exercise of our lesson 2 when Daddy was a little boy. It's a very interesting lesson na बच्चों. So this lesson of your MCB book, and today we will do the grammar exercise of this lesson. Here's the grammar exercise. In the lesson you find words like very mischievous, always a big crowd, especially good at, grow gradually, just like a rooster, rarely sent out, jumped down, stopped at the tram Delhi. They are all different kinds of adverbs. So this is the topic of our today's class, adverbs and its type. Here you can see that 5 types of adverbs they have described here, and I will tell you the full explanation of these adverbs. Before telling you the types of adverb, we need to understand that what is adverb. So adverb is the fifth part of a speech. As I have already taught you, noun, pronouns, verbs and adverbs before also. So it's a new part of a speech for us. And the very first question in front of us now, that what is an adverb? होता क्या है adverb? What is an adverb and what does it do? So the main task of an adverb is to modify a verb, an adverb or an adjective. So these are the 3 fields where an adverb can work. Now the next question, that what does modify means? Modify means add or change. As I taught you about adjectives, that adjectives can add or change something in noun and pronouns. The same adverb can add or change something in verb, in adverbs too, and in adjectives. Now we will learn in today's class the modifications of adverb in the field of verb only. If we will talk about the modifications of adverbs on actions or verb, so there are 4 fields. The very first is how, the second is where, the third is when, and the fourth and last one is how often. Now I will tell you that how these 4 fields can use adverbs, or you can say that we can understand that how in these 4 fields adverb works. Very first we will talk about the question how an adverb changes an action or verb. Let's have some example. The alarm rang loudly. And another example, the girl dances nicely. Here in these 2 examples, if you will ask the question for the same sentence, then you will ask that how the alarm rings or how does the girl dance. So we are using the word how. Here in these sentences, in first one we are telling the manner of alarm कि वो कैसे बजता है, and in second we are telling the manner of girls dance कि वो कैसे dance करती है. So this type of adverbs are known as adverb of manner. Adverb of manner is an adverb which can tell you that how an action performed या काम कैसे हो रहा है. Okay, so next is where an action occurred. Put the cake there. I searched everywhere for my spectacles. Here in these 2 sentences we are talking about place, कि चीज़ें कहाँ पर हैं. यूजुअली हम बोलते हैं ना, जैसे आप अपनी मम्मा से पूछते हैं मेरे शूज़ कहाँ हैं, मेरे सॉक्स कहाँ हैं, मेरी ड्रेस कहाँ है, तो वो कहती हैं योर सॉक्स आर देयर, योर शूज़ आर हेयर. मतलब वो ऐसे वर्ड्स यूज़ करती हैं. सो हम यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं वेयर, और हमें आंसर मिल रहा है अबाउट अ प्लेस. So this type of adverb is known as adverb of place. In this type of adverbs, we usually tell that where our action occurred. हम काम कहाँ कर रहे हैं या हमने कहाँ काम किया है. Okay. Next question is when. When an action occurred. We usually ask this type of question, when is your holiday, when your exams are going to get start. पूछते हैं ना हम. So let's have some example. My mother went to market today. Went to market today. So here action is went. This is the third form of go. And when today. They go out to do the shopping weekly. In these two examples, we are telling the time that when an action occurred. काम कब हुआ. मेरी मम्मी आज मार्केट गई थी. मेरे एग्ज़ाम कल से स्टार्ट हैं. हम आज 7th पीरियड में इंग्लिश पढ़ेंगे. So these are the examples of adverb of time. When an adverb tells about the time of an action or the verb, that type of adverb known as the adverb of time. So here in this type of actions adverb, we usually use the word when to ask questions, and the answers comes in different time. Now the fourth and the last one, that how often an action occurred. कितनी बार. Sometimes we play football. We play. So play is action here, and sometimes. Sometimes is modifying or telling more about this action. Natasha never fights. Fights is action here, and this word never is telling about this fight or this action. So this type of adverbs tell us about the frequency. कितनी बार कोई काम होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं an adverb of frequency. When an adverb tells us that how often an action occurred, कितनी बार कोई एक्शन कोई काम हुआ है, that is known as the adverb of frequency. So बच्चों, this all about the types of adverbs which usually works with action. So hope you all have understood this, and we will have a wonderful video again with some new topics.